This is how to use the video tool in Seesaw. We go to the left-hand side of the screen and click on that camera icon. This time we don't want the photo, we want the video option, so click that button. Right away it pulls up a preview of what my video camera can see. It's not recording right now, but it's just showing you what it will record. You'll notice that because I'm on a laptop, the video is facing me, but if you're using a tablet, you can also have the video face the other direction. To actually record my clip, I need to hit one of these camera buttons. So I'll try that now. You'll see that it gives me a countdown. I record what I want, and then I can click that green done button to stop the recording. Now I have the option to click and drag this video clip around where I want it. I can make it bigger or smaller with those corner handles. If I record something and I don't like it, if I want to try it again, I use these three dots down here, click it, and it gives you some options. You would just want this delete option, and then you can try your recording over again. That's how the camera works in Seesaw.